Konnichiwa minasan. Welcome back to the channel. This is Pradeep Sharma and today we are going to learn 3 kanji in this video. The first kanji is the Kanji of Evening. Second is the Kanji of Direction. Way means these are the 3 meanings of this second kanji. And the third kanji is the Kanji of Live Birth. So let's start with the Kanji of Evening. You can see here there are 3 strokes of this kanji. Let's practice. Ichi, ni, san. Ichi, ni, san. Ichi, ichi, ni, ichi, ni, san. So this is the final kanji which is having 3 strokes. Let's do it again. Ichi, ichi, ni, ichi, ni, san. This kanji is the same as ta from katakana. So don't confuse. Let's do one more time. Ichi, ni, san. Ichi, ni, san. So this is the kanji. Let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. Kunyomi of this kanji is you. You can see here you. And onyomi of this kanji is seki. You and seki. Now let's move to the meaning of this kanji. Yesterday we have read the kanji of night and this is the kanji of evening. So here you can see we have written this kanji as prefix, and in this fix we have written be. Kanji with be. So if we are writing these together, these would be pronounced as you be. You can see just because of this u, it would be long sound yube. Yube means evening or last night. So this is the first meaning of this kanji. Let's move to the second one. Here you can see prefix in the, this is the kanji, and in suffix we have written shoku. Shoku also have different kanji, about which we will study later. So if you are writing these together, it would be pronounced as yu shoku. Yu shoku means supper, dinner. Supper, dinner. So let's move to the final. This is the exception. I have mentioned here. This is the exception. So please don't be confused. You have to remember this only. There's no other method. Here you can see tana and this is our kanji. So if you are writing these together, it would become tana bata. That's why this is the exception, because we haven't read any kunyomi or onyomi of bata. So tana bata means star festival. We can say biggest festival, like something like that. So this was the exception. So this was the kanji of evening. Let's move to the second kanji. This is the kanji of direction. Way means. So you can see here this kanji have 4 strokes. Ichi, ni, san, yon. Let's practice. Ichi, ichi, ni, ichi, ni, san, ichi, ni, san, yon. So this is the final kanji which is having 4 strokes. Let's do it again. Ichi, ichi, ni, ichi ni san, ichi ni san yon. So this is the final kanji. Let's do it one more time. Ichi ni san yon, ichi ni san yon. Sorry, ichi ni san yon. So this is the final kanji. This is having 4 strokes. Now let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. Kunyomi of this kanji is kata, and onyomi of this kanji is gata. Gata would be written as suffix only, because you can see here there is a dash before gata. And onyomi of this kanji is ho. Ho. So now let's move to the meaning of this kanji. Here you can see we have written dash and then this kanji. So it would be pronounced as kata, and it means we will write something here. Write something. It could be noun or verb without mass. So it would be this meaning of this thing is how to. We can say how to make a tea. So this is the example. So to complete the we will write it like this. In sukurimas is the verb of to make. So to convert it in a way, we will write it sukurikata. Mas will be removed, and let me show you. Sukurimas to make. This would become sukuri kata. So this is the use of kata, this kanji. Now second meaning is same like this. Now but we have written it sama, and then this kanji, it would be recalled as, it would be pronounced as samakata, and before samakata we will use someone's name or something like that. It become CO, care of Mr. Care of. It means care of. Let's move to the third. This is the kanji which we just 2 minutes ago, and this is our new kanji. So if you write these two kanji together, it would become yugata. Yugata. Yugata means evening. Yugata means evening. Let's move to the final, and final is this is our kanji which we are writing as a prefix, and this is ho. Don't be confused. This kanji have different ho, and this is different. This ho has also had kanji, but that is the different kanji. We'll study about that later. So if we are writing this together, it would become ho ho. Ho ho. Ho ho means a method. So this was the kanji of way means direction. If you have any confusion regarding this kanji or regarding this meaning kata, how to, you can drop your comments in comment box. I'll surely reply you guys. Now let's move to the final kanji. This is the kanji of live birth, and this kanji have 5 strokes. You can see here. Let me show you. Ichi, ni, san, yon, go. Let's practice. Ichi, ichi ni, san, ichi ni san yon, ichi ni san yon, go. So this is the final kanji. Let's do it again. Ichi, ichi ni, ichi ni san, ichi ni san yon, ichi ni san yon, go. So this is the final kanji. Let's do it one more time. Ichi ni san yon, go. So this is the kanji of live birth. Ichi ni san yon, go. Let's move to the kunyomi and onyomi of this kanji. Kunyomi of this kanji is, you can see here I have written E dash kiru, U dash mareru. E and U are the kunyomi of this kanji, and if you will write kiru with this, it would be a different meaning, and if you will write mareru with this, it would be a different meaning, and both are the dictionary form of verb. Okay, so onyomi of this kanji is say. Let me move the meaning. Now your confusion will be clear here. You can see here we have written this kanji and kiru. This kiru. So if you are writing this together, it would become ikiru. Ikiru means to live. So this was the meaning. Now let's move to the second. Here you can see our kanji and mareru. This mareru. So if you are writing this together, it would be pronounced as umareru. And the meaning of this kanji, this umareru, is to be born. Basically we can say if we are writing kiru with this kanji, it would become iki, e, and if you are writing mareru with this kanji, it would become u. So let's move to the third meaning of this kanji. Here you can see sen as prefix and our kanji is as suffix. Sen also have a different kanji. We'll study about it tomorrow. So if we are writing these together, it means it would be pronounced as sensei, and sensei means, we all know, a teacher. So let's move to the final. Here I have written 2 kanji. First one is, we have already studied about this kanji, and the highlighted kanji is we are studying now. So if we are writing these kanji together, it would be pronounced as gakusei. So gakusei means, we all know, a student. So this was the final meaning of this kanji. You can see here, you can take a snapshot as well. And if you guys have any confusion regarding the kanji, today's kanji, you can drop your comments in comment box. I hope you guys have liked this video, and please do subscribe the channel, share the video with your friends, like the video, and please don't forget to drop your review in comment box. Bye bye. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Jamata.